my god, yes! Woo! I made it to Maboge. Oh, I'm so happy. Super stoked. I'm gonna have a beer if they have any. Oh my god, I hope they have a pub. I need a beer. Good morning. I am just leaving the campsite in Maboge. And I've got, I think, 7 kilometers left, inclusive of the kilometer that I had to do to get here. So it's a 1 kilometer detour to get here. But yeah, I should be there for lunch. And I'm looking forward to finishing. Whoop whoop. Hi guys, we are back on trail. I'm very happy. And 6 kilometers to go. Yes, let's do it. So I've been walking along this road and I can see water going down, and all of a sudden I turn around and there's this dam, or so you call it. Wow, it's beautiful. It looks like it's been made by beavers. Huh, amazing. Unfortunately no beaver. Anyway, it was cool to see the dam anyway. Again, for the 100th time. This is just never getting old. Yes, La Roche, 3.8. Alright, this last part, apparently there's already the hunting season going on. You can't enter between 6:30 and 9:30 and 5:30 and 8:30. It's 11:30 now. So it should be fun. Alright guys, so a maximum of 2 kilometers to go. I am walking on this old carriageway that's going all the way across the Ardennes apparently. It's pretty cool too, and such a beautiful walk on a nice stretch downhill, and gives you some breathing space and some time to reflect. It's been a beautiful walk, and I'm sure I'll do it again. I recommend it to everyone. This is one of the best walks I've ever done. So yeah, let's keep hiking guys. Whoop whoop. Yay. Woohoo. Oh. What does the sign say? Crête de la Roche 1.4. Oh, does that mean it's another 1.4 kilometers? I don't know. Okay, let's do this. Alright guys, the final view, La Roche. Whew. You can see the castle. Beautiful. Video of the view. You can see Peter standing down there. Yes, we made it. Woo. This is the bridge, the final crossing. Woo. All right, guys, this is the end. Oh, I feel so good. It's over. Woo. And thank you all, everyone, for staying tuned. Hi, Peter.
Hi.
Hello. Mama? Huh? Ça va?
Ça va bien?
Alright, guys, this is hiker trash living it up. There's no leaving La Roche without a pizza.